I am making cheesecake. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and in my mixer here I have 3 cups of whole milk ricotta cheese, and I'm going to be adding 2 bricks of softened cream cheese, 8 ounces. So 2 of those. Okay, I've got the cream cheese in there, and I'm going to cream this together. Next, I'm adding in 1½ cups of sugar. Next, I'm adding in 6 tablespoons of flour. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm adding in a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Next, I add 6 eggs, one at a time. Here's the first one going in. Okay, all the eggs are incorporated, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice, delicious looking cheesecake batter. Okay, the last step to this glorious cheesecake is to add 1 pint or 16 ounces of sour cream. And keep in mind, everything that I've used has been out at room temp before making, because you want it to blend into a nice and creamy cheesecake. Okay, I've added the sour cream. That's the whole pint in there, and I'm just going to fold this in until it's combined, and then I'm going to add it to my greased and floured springform pan. And then I'm going to bake for an hour at 350 degrees. Here is what my springform pan looks like. And I buttered it and floured it. And I'm about to add my cheesecake batter. Here it is. It looks super luxurious. And I'm going to put a water bath underneath. And again, bake this for 1 hour at 350 degrees. And then turn the oven off and leave the cake in the oven for an extra hour for it to cool. And then sometimes I crack the door and let it cool even longer in the oven to prevent that cracking on the top. All right, here we go.